Welcome to February 13th LeetCode Challenge. Count odd numbers in an interval range. Given two non-negative integers low and high, return the count of odd numbers between low and high inclusive. So we're given the number low equals 3 and high equals to 7. We want to find all the odd numbers between that range. So all the odd numbers between that range 3 and 7 inclusive would be 3, 5, and 7. Therefore, we have an output of 3 because those three values are odd within the range. Example number 2, given a low of 8 and high of 10, the only number in between that's odd is 9. Therefore, return 1 because there's one number that's odd. So constraints that low is greater than or equal to 0, which is greater than or equal to high. High is greater than or equal to that. And then everything is less than or equal to 10 to the 9. So in order to solve this, let's use some a little bit of math here, and we could say that basically if we want to find the high and low, we have to find the numbers that have odd integers between them, including itself, so it's inclusive. So a brute way is to iterate through low and high and just find every number. So we could just do that. So let's check if low is odd. Then we can just count that as the modulus operator and then use bitwise. So let's say if low is even, make it odd. So if low we make it odd, and we do that with the bitwise n. And we want to make it equal to 0. And then we just basically increment low by 1. Alright, we count upwards. So low become greater than high due to the incrementation. So if this is the case, then we want to return 0. Otherwise, we use this formula. So we basically could do return low greater than high, question mark, return 0, otherwise return high minus low divided by 2 plus 1. So these are this is the number of numbers of odd numbers between high and low. So I'll run this a little bit. So the point here is important to check if low is after incrementing is greater than high, then it will happen when low is equal to high. And in this case, we just return 0. Otherwise, we just return the number in between. So big O, time complexity is big O of constant time because we're using bitwise arithmetics, and everything else will cost us big O of constant space. There's no extra variables being used or space needed, so therefore it's also a big O of constant space as well. Alright, that's it. Have a great day, guys.